So if you are trying to get into cybersecurity in 2025, if I were to start again, if I'm looking to get into cybersecurity all over again, and I don't have any experience or knowledge, and I'm looking to get into cybersecurity for the very first time in 2025, I think these are the things I'm going to do. The first thing is that I'm not going to get into cybersecurity directly. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to join a software development bootcamp straight. I'm going to join a software development bootcamp, but I'll focus on the backend part of it, maybe Python, Node.js, or something like that, or JavaScript or whatever. Backend software development, so that I will do a bit of backend Python, database, integration, APIs, and all of that. That's what I'm going to start with. And the next thing I'm going to do is that I'll try to do a little bit of bug bounty, trying to get bug from website and web API and all of that on website. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to look at doing SOC operations. Okay, SOC operations, that is, working within a security operations center. And before I do that though, I'm going to do a little bit of network, just to have an understanding of network and cloud as well. Cloud, maybe AWS and Azure are like the fundamentals of those tools. And then I'll try to get into a SOC so that I can do a lot of incident response and all of that. And I think that's how I'm going to start. And with that, now I can now decide wherever it is that I want to go in the future, because now I have like the baseline understanding of, software, database, architecture, web apps, and then I have network understanding, cloud, AWS, Azure. I have security operational experience as well, which is really good. And then pretty much I can get into any part of cybersecurity at this point. So you can start to do something like SC200 course to understand, some of these tools as well. And yeah, from there, I can just decide to go to any part of it. I can go to cloud security. I can go to web and API security. I can go to security operation. I can go to cloud security. I just have a wide range of experience within the spectrum of attack within cybersecurity. And I think that is really, really good. I think that's what I'm going to do if I'm to start all over again. When I started cybersecurity, I think a long time ago, I used to do a bit of software development, Java mostly. And then I started to do a little bit of JavaScript, but that was long ago. And then when I started to work full time, I started to work as a network engineer. So I would say my background is more of like network engineering. And I did that for like a year. And then I moved to network security, IT security, governance, risks and compliance, and all of that. And then I put all of that together and I become, I was just doing everything: cybersecurity, consultancy, architecture, cloud. I did all kind of certifications along the line, certification based on industry and certification based on vendors as well. I've done all kind of stuff. So I think that's what I'm going to do. But I mean, in some cases, your own plan might be a little bit different because our journeys are not always the same. But yeah, if you're interested in learning more, I'll be doing a lot of webinars on cybersecurity in recent time. So you can just drop me a comment or drop me a chat, and then I'll send you some of the links that you can use to join some of our webinars coming up, and we'll be sharing more and more content. And we'll be inviting more people as well to speak on our channel and give insight into cybersecurity. So if you love to hear about cybersecurity leadership and technology, yeah, you can definitely reach out to me. My name again is Jamiu. I'm a technical cybersecurity consultant based in London and a PhD researcher at the University Center for Cyberspace. See you next time. Cheers.